I'm here with the Acura Integra Type S, let's go. Driving impressions are under embargo until June 19th, but in the meantime, since I'm not driving it right now, I can show you everything about the exterior, the interior, and this thing is so cool. We got these bronze wheels on here that are an option. The standard color, it's like the shark gray. What do you think about the bronze? It's maybe a little bit Subaru. I'm okay with it. 4-piston Brembos up front, 265 by 30 ZR19s on these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Summer tires. These things are super grippy. I love the front end of the Type S Integra. This grille allows for so much more air to pass through. It is much bigger than the standard grille, and I like how it's bezel-less compared to the TLX Type S that has a thick black bezel around it. This looks a little bit cleaner overall. Large intake on each end of the bumper for better aerodynamics and brake cooling. Beautiful daytime running lights here. Integra on the bumper, just like the standard Integra. This thing has essentially a wide body kit on it because it is so much wider. It's about 2 inches wider track in the rear and over 3 inches wider track in the front. Overall, it's about 2 inches wider than the standard Integra. From the side here, got those very pronounced wheel arches here. It's a beautiful car. There's no doubt it has a lot of road presence to it. This has the optional carbon fiber spoiler on it. Standard is the A-spec spoiler from the standard Integra. We have these 4-inch cans on the back, triple cans, and then we have Apex Blue Pearl driving by right there. Gorgeous. Oh, so cool. Looks great. I love the rear diffuser on the Type S. It really looks good. Got the Type S badge back here, but it doesn't lose its functionality. We have the lift back design. You can fold the seats down, tons of cargo space. We got the massive ELS audio subwoofer back here. There's another Apex Blue Pearl there. Checking out the, yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, getting on the inside. There is tons of legroom here for me at 6'1". Headroom is a little bit dicey at times. If you slump, you're okay. There is seating for 4 people in here. This is not a 5-seater, but I'm sure you could fit someone here in the middle without a seatbelt, but you know, that's not safe. So cup holders here in the middle, no vents, no USB ports. Unfortunately, there's no roof in here, but we have speakers coming out of the roof, so that's a compromise there. Just one mat pocket here on the passenger, and let's get in the front seat. Embossed Type S on the headrest for both the passenger and the driver. We got this suede insert on the middle. These seats are pretty soft and they hold you in fairly well. Can't say too much about driving impressions. We got the Type S skid plate. You can find these illuminated, I think, as an option as well. ELS audio with this red interior. The red interior is one of 3 options. On the inside, we also have an orchid and a black interior. Let's shut the door. Sounds pretty good. I have this window open because I was doing thumbnail stuff. I'll close that for you guys. Let's start with the shifter, guys. This is the standard shifter. You can also get the titanium optional shifter. The stitching on here is quite pretty. The top here is metal. It's cold to the touch. And we have this suede shift boot and the Type S logo right here. Nice cup holders. If I lift this up, good storage space in there as well. We have a sunglasses holder, which is great. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto with this 9-inch screen. Very functional. I like how you can rest your hands here. There's a nice white Type S there. Heck yes. Climate control is fantastic here with the triple rotary dial, just like the Civic, for example. USBs here, 12-volt wireless charger. You have 3 different driving modes, Sport, Sport Plus, and Comfort, but you also have an individual mode that you can customize as well. Steering wheel here, we got this nice dimpled perforation around the bottom, Type S logo here, and then it's kind of a smooth leather here at the top. Fully digital instrument cluster here. You can customize. We also have the beautiful head-up display, super clear, and it gives me turn-by-turn directions with the Android Auto, which is amazing. Aluminum pedals, but let's pop the hood. Yes, we have a vented hood here for improved aerodynamics, and check out this Type S K20C 2-liter turbocharged engine, 320 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, made it exclusively to the 6-speed manual transmission. Honda and Acura keeping it simple here, front wheel drive only, no super handling, all-wheel drive available here. But come back June 19th, I'll share my full driving impressions with this amazing Acura Integra Type S, coming in around $50,000, but here's the thing, people are going to be wanting these. Acura's not going to have any problem selling these for around $50,000. I'll see you guys in the comments below and in the next video when I'm driving it. Peace.